First Indian train ride, so I can't wait. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Sally and Ed here, and we're about to go and do something incredibly exciting.
We're currently in Varanasi, but we are about to get on our very first train here in India. Beep! And not only is it our first train in India, but it is a sleeper train. We are going to be traveling in 3rd class AC tonight.
Yep.
All the way from Varanasi to Kharjuraho. Did I say that right? I didn't say that right.
That was so good. You just got to commit to it.
We're going to be traveling all the way from Varanasi to Khajuraro.
Nice. And first up, we need to get some snacks.
Oh, you can't go on a train without snacks. So let's go find some street food. Bananas!
40, 30, 70.
Thank you. Have Snickers. All right, we have fruit, we have Snickers, we have water in our room. So I think we are pretty much sorted for our train snacks.
We're off to the train station. Whoop!
Whee!
Alrighty, so we've made it to Varanasi train station. We did get here a little bit early because Varanasi traffic is insane. Like, legit insane. The most insane traffic of any country I have ever been to. It's nuts. So we got here a little bit early. Our train is departing Varanasi at 5:45. It is the express to Khajuraho. We're expected to arrive about 5:30 in the morning, so it is an overnight train. However, we are told that the trains from here to Khajuraho do typically run a little bit late, so we're gonna see how we go.
There's a monkey up there. There's a monkey up there. Train has just arrived and it is absolute chaos. People are like running to get on this train. I have never experienced anything like this in my entire life. Even the trains in China were not this crazy. Look at all these people like running to get on this train. Also, I feel like now would be a great time to point out how long this train is because it is really long. Are you excited to get the train today?
Me?
Yes, you.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I love train. First Indian train ride, so I can't wait.
Welcome to our home for the next 12 hours. We are in 3 AC, so on one side we have 3 beds. They go 3 high, and then on the other side we've got bunk beds that are like 2 high, and in 3 AC we also get like blankets and pillows, and at the moment we are running on time, so fingers crossed we get in by 5:20 tomorrow morning.
So what you've all been waiting for, let's check out the facilities in this carriage. So basic kind of end of carriage compartment. We've got a couple of fire extinguishers right here, door, sink,
train number 1904
toilet, fan, other toilet,
100 minutes inconvenience code.
Yeah, good morning everybody.
Good morning.
So the train's just pulled up. It must have had some sort of delay overnight. We've stopped here at somewhere.
Don't even know where we are.
Don't even know. We're hoping to find some chai, fingers crossed.
We don't actually know how long the train is going to be stopping for, but we really want a chai. So this is kind of like risky, like getting off the train. Don't know where the chai man is. Don't know how long we're stopped for. Success! We have chai, Cow, train, cow, train, cow. We're late, but we made it.
No.
Guys, we're 4 hours late, but we're here in Khajuraro.
Yep.
It's beautiful, it's sunny. We're gonna go get some breakfast and just enjoy this beautiful day.
Yeah, really looking forward to being here. I think we're actually going to have breakfast and then go see some erotic temples, which is kind of exciting.
I know, yeah.
A little bit exciting.
Kama Sutra temples, hey.
Hey.
Look, we've been reunited with Rashida. Hey!
So good to be back. Not that we didn't love the train. We did love the train. I am looking forward to seeing so many more Indian trains. It was a great fun.
Yeah.
Maybe try out some of the different classes as well. Go 2 AC, 1 AC.
Maybe sleeper class,
sleeper.
maybe we'll go adventurous. It looked like fun in there.
Yeah, I did. It looks really busy. Everyone was like really mingling together and stuff, so
Crazy.
that would be great. But guys,
Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, I'm Sally and this is Ed.
what's up? And we're going to be spending the next 3 months traveling through India. We're really excited to be here. Drop us a comment with some places we need to go, things we need to do, the absolutely cannot misses.
It's because we just arrived and we don't know what to do yet, so.
Yeah. And if you haven't already done so,
There you go.
no, you go.
If you haven't already done so, please make sure you subscribe down below, give this video a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends, and
We'll see you in the next video.
see you next